Maurer grain trailers, built with farmers in mind. The Maurer line of trailers has the strongest design on the market. They can handle the rough and uneven conditions that farmers deal with in their fields. Maurer steel grain trailers have been known for 2 decades as being the most durable on the market. The Maurer steel grain trailers are manufactured with state-of-the-art welding and manufacturing processes. Maurer had gained the reputation for having the best paint of any steel grain trailer on the market. This has been accomplished through continual improvements and applying the latest technology emphasizing paint surface preparation. The Maurer steel grain trailer walls are not only welded but also have all seams caulked to seal out moisture. This attention to detail adds many years to the life of the trailer. Maurer steel grain trailers include standard windows on the driver's side of the trailer. The windows are an added convenience whether you're loading a trailer and need to gauge how much is already in the trailer, or if you're unloading and need to know how much is left. The Maurer steel grain trailers are designed with enough slope in the hopper and floor walls that grain will flow freely. This is important for farmers handling corn prior to drying. All Maurer grain trailers have standard ag hoppers. This term refers to having sufficient ground clearance. Ag hoppers have a minimum clearance of 20 inches. The Maurer hopper has an average clearance of 22 inches. The ground clearance is critical to handling grain with the use of swing hoppers on grain augers. Maurer steel hoppers are also designed with hopper doors that are somewhat narrower than other models on the market today. This feature has 2 distinct advantages. First, the narrower hopper door makes it much easier to control the flow of grain into a swing hopper. A wider door makes it much harder to get the truck and trailer parked in the exact position for unloading. The second advantage of the narrow door design affects unloading for all users. With the Maurer hopper door design, there is much less pressure on the door when the trailer is fully loaded. This makes the door much easier to open and alleviates potential pressure and binding. The Maurer hopper opener system also has larger gears and rollers than the other trailers on the market. These larger gears and rollers, combined with the narrow door design, will have Maurer hopper doors opening like a new trailer for years to come. Maurer grain trailers, built with farmers in mind.